Inversions allows a smoother transition between chords, which creates a more harmonically pleasing and flowing melodies. You imagine playing songs, chord progressions without inversion. Do you ever imagine how tedious that will be in your playing and how funny you are going to sound? And that is the more reason why you need this tutorial. Hi guys, if this is your first time here, I'm Moses Abifari. Welcome to my channel. And for my subscribers, thumbs up for you. So today we'll be talking about chord inversions. Chord inversions occur when you change the arrangement or the order of notes in a chord. Let's take for example C major chord. If you don't know how to get a C major chord, you need to check my other tutorials. So C major chord, which contains the key of the note or key of C, E, and G. Now, if you take this C up here, it becomes like this. That is inversion of the C major chord. If you take this E up here, that is another inversion which you can get in a C triad chord. So there are various forms of inversion, just like what I've done. The very first one is the natural one, which is the root position. Then, if you take this root position up here, we have which is called first inversion. Then, if you take the key here up, which means the E up here, you arrange it or change the order, you are going to have second inversion. So these are the three forms of inversion for a triad chord that we have. Now, in application. Now, for those of you that have been following my tutorial, and if you don't, I would advise you quickly go back and check that. I did a song which is Yeshua. I gave you the chord progression because in the last tutorial we did, I explained how you can get chord of a song, any kind of song, be it pop, any kind of song. At least you can hear the melody, you're able to get the chord progression. So if you look at that, I used the song Yeshua, which the chord progression is this. I will just use one of my, I'll play the root position of it. Yeshua, amen, amen. You see that now? You see the way I was moving? I started from chord 6. I moved to chord 4. Then I still moved to chord 1. Then I moved to chord 5, went back again. You see, that is very tedious way of playing. You understand? And it's like punishment for you to follow that. What with inversion, you can do this, you can transition within this chord easily without too much stress. So let's take the chord 6. Don't forget the chord progression again. Chord 6, chord 4, chord 1, and chord 5 in letter, which you are going to see on my screen. A minor, F major, C major, and G major. So good. Now, if we look at that, now let's put it in, let's try to play this song with the inversion. We're using inversions. You are going to see what we're going to happen. So the chord 6, I'm going to use another inversion. Instead of me playing this way, I'm going to take this down, which means the E down. Yes, inversion, you can either do it up or down. So I'm going to take it down. So which means I'm going to have, instead of having A, C, E, I'm going to have C, A, C. Sorry, E, A, C. Did you see that? That's my chord 6 now, not this. So watch. Even with this alone, you find out that everything is within the area of position which you can play. So chord 6, Yeshua, see, 4. You see the 4 now. The only finger I just move is just my thumb to this side. You see, it's making your playing easy, right? Good. Then, amen. You see, I have to fly to chord 1, but no, I shouldn't do that. So let's go back to the inverted A minor, then F. Then I'm going to play the second inversion of my chord 1. Did you see that now? Then I will just move a little bit slightly to 5. Did you see how inversion can help? Let me put it in summary again. Instead of you playing this A minor, you play this A inversion. Then the F still remain in root position. Then chord 1. Did you see that now? Then chord 5. Even chord 5, from chord 1, you can go chord 5 like this. Did you see that? Inversion makes your playing smooth. You see that now? So let me do it all over. I will just play the root of the chord. Yeshua, amen. Did you see that? Amen. You see? It looks as if my finger is not even moving. So once you've done this inversion, then as a beginner, once you've done these inversions, then you can now restrict yourself that, okay, let me use also inversion for a specific chord and let me use another inversion for this chord, so that you can master that around the keys before you start doing other inversion. But the truth be told, you have to finish all the inversions of each chord. Remember, we're still doing triad chords. We haven't done anything on our extension chord like C major 7th, like this, C major 7th. The 7th is here, or which you can also play this way. You see, this is another inversion of C major 7th. You can see it on my screen. So with that, you can try to apply it to your song and transfer it around the whole keys. So inversion makes your playing very smooth and easy. So let's do it again. Chord 6, the one we did before, then 4. So which means I play the inversion of chord 6, I play the root position of chord 4, then I play the inversion of chord 1 or C major chord, then I play the inversion of chord 5. Did you see that now? Then you can still do other inversion by saying another inversion can be this, chord 6 can be this. So remember the root position of chord 6 is, and we've used this inversion, I can also use this inversion too. My left hand for now, don't worry, I will still teach you about what the left hand is to do. Just keep playing the root of the chord. You know what root of the chord is already. So this is chord 6, right? Then we are going to which chord next? Chord 4, watch. Did you see what I just changed there? This is another inversion again. Chord 6, you see that? Then chord 4, I only just change here. This means I only change E to F and I get my chord 4, which means the F major chord. Then what next? I'm getting chord 1, easy. You see that? It's also easy here. Then I'm going to my chord 5. I can decide to do chord 5 like this. You see how easy that is? Or I do the chord 5 like this. But I prefer this. It makes it calm to me. The harmonies, like, it's synchronized to what I feel about that song. So the new version is, so let's play it together. Yeshua 4. You see that? Did you see that? That's another version. So I can play within the first. So at the end of the day, you find out that you are creating variations which you can pick from. So let me use the first variation. Yeshua. You see that? Did you see that? Second variation. Yeshua. You see that? So you see that you can create various variations to it. Now, what you notice about the second variation is that my chord 6 inverted. You see that now? Then chord 4 also inverted. Then chord 1, I play the root position of chord 1. Then chord 5, is also inverted. So with this, your playing is more smooth and easy. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to focus on what the left hand needs to do. The left hand doesn't just play the root position, but for beginner, you can start with that. If it is the first time in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share with friends and family, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you.